Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 sums in coordination compound. It's a very easy chapter. Okay, so if you understand the concept, means it will be very easy, very easy one. So see the first question. The primary and secondary valency of platinum in platinum En twice Cl2 are option A 4 4, option B 4 6, option C 6 4, option D 2 6. Okay, so you have to find out the primary valency as well as secondary valency for this complex. Okay. Right. Next one, simple. IPS name of, second question, IPS name of platinum NH3 twice ClNO2 is option A platinum diamine chloronitrate, option B chloronitrito N amine platinum 2, C diamine chlorido nitrito N platinum 2, option D diamine chloronitrito N platinate 2. Okay, so if you know the rules and regulation for give the name nomenclature to coordination components, you can able to answer this one. Very easy one. You must know how to find out the primary valency. Okay, nothing but oxygen state you should know how to find out. Okay, right. Next question. Which of the following has square planar structure? Okay, so among the D, I told no, none of this. So among the three only you have to find out which one is square planar structure. Okay, square planar structure means here what DSP2 configuration. Any complex getting DSP2 configuration, that is what that belongs to square planar structure. That one we have to find out. First of all, you should find out the hybridization. From the hybridization only we can decide the shape. Understood? Right. Option A nickel Cl4 2 minus. Option B nickel CO4. Option C nickel CN4 2 minus. D none of these. Understood? Right. Then fourth one, in chromium NH3 6 Br3, the number of unpaired electrons in chromium is, okay, option A 4, option B 3, option C 2, option D 1. Okay, you have to, so here first find out the primary valency. After that we should find out how many unpaired electrons in chromium. Understood? Right. Fifth one, the complex that will exhibit maximum ionic conductivity in aqueous solution is, okay, who is conduct more? That's a question. Okay, who conducts the who is conducting power is more, they're asking from this complex. Option A K4 FeCN6, option B CrNH36 Br3, option C CuNH34 Cl2, option D nickel CO4. Okay, next one, question number 6. What is the correct electronic configuration of the central atom in K4 FeCN6 based on CFT? CFT means what? Crystal field, theory. Crystal field theory. Based on crystal field theory, we have to find out. Okay. So what's the configuration of this complex? Option A E3 T3 2. Option B E4 T2 2. Option C T4 T2G4 EG2. Option D T2G6 EG0. Okay, right. Next one, seventh one. The magnetic moment of nickel Cl4 2 minus is, so we have to find out the magnetic moment. Before that, you must know number of unpaired electrons. Then you have to substitute. We have one formula for that magnetic moment. Okay, so if you substitute the number of electrons in unpaired electrons in that formula, we can find out the magnetic moment. Okay, option A 1.82 Bohr magnetron, option B 5.92 Bohr magnetron, option C 4.90 Bohr magnetron, option D 2.82 Bohr magnetron. Understood? So very easy question only I said. Okay, so try to answer this. Okay, next class I will give the solution for this question. Understood? Thank you, students.